तो मतलब चिपकना है, मिट्टी
अच्छा
को चिपकने के लिए क्ले यूज किया
अच्छा
जाता है।
अच्छा अच्छा।
क्ले है ये थोड़ा सा फट जाता है ना, इसके लिए भी थोड़ा ये जो सेक्शन देखिए
अच्छा ड्राई होने, हाँ
ये जो टूट रहा है ना, ये जो बीच का, इसको थोड़ा सा अगर ऐसा ब्रश किया जाए
जी।
देन ये प्रॉपर हो जाता है।
ओके सो दैट इज बिकॉज वो ड्राई होता है तो थोड़ा सा वो सूख जाता है। आई थिंक इट हैपेंस विद द डो एज वेल।
हाँ, ये अगर कोई क्ले यूज कर रहा है तो डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ मैटर, बट अगर कोई मिट्टी यूज कर रहा है तो ये प्रॉब्लम के साथ होगा। अगर जो क्ले यूज कर रहे हैं वो ये स्किप कर।
ओके ओके।
ये मैं बेली बना रही हूँ, ठीक है।
अच्छा टमी सेक्शन। ओके
हाँ, टमी सेक्शन ये
ओके।
टैब तो
Right. Yes, and Aniket, you are not doing? I thought you will be doing along with us. What happened?
I will bring clay and
Acha, you will do it
and
on
then
later. Acha, okay. You have to do it by tomorrow, I believe. Day after tomorrow, it's Ganesh Chaturthi. Okay. Okay, so I can see Devisha, Mahi, and Aaron are doing side by side. Meet, are you there? I think we have lost the connection somehow with Meet. All right. So this is the middle part basically, right?
हाँ हाँ हाँ, ये मिडिल पार्ट है।
ठीक है। तो ये ओवल हो रहा है या फिर पूरा ही राउंड शेप है अश्मिता?
राउंड शेप हो रहा है, पर ये जो नॉर्मल मिट्टी है, एक्चुअली मैं बांकुरा का मिट्टी यूज कर रही हूँ।
ओके।
जो टेराकोटा की फेमस है।
अच्छा।
एंड इस मिट्टी में वर्क करना थोड़ा सा हार्ड होता है,
ओके।
क्योंकि मैं ये बार बार टूटता है।
अच्छा। सो आई थिंक बहुत बार ऐसा भी होता है ना कि मिट्टी में अगर सैंड होता है तो दैट आल्सो ब्रेक्स द एंटायर स्ट्रक्चर, है ना?
हाँ, पर ये
आई थिंक योर वॉइस इज ब्रेकिंग। हाँ
हेलो।
हाँ हाँ
ये
अब आ।
सैंड वाला ये प्योर मिट्टी है।
अच्छा।
जैसे पता नहीं किसी को पता है कि नहीं, पांच पूरा करके एक जगह है बांकुरा में,
ओके।
वर्ल्ड फेमस है मिट्टी के लिए।
ऑलराइट, तो मुझे
और
भी नहीं
जो
पता था ये चीज।
हाँ, इंडिया का जो टेराकोटा जोन है उसे बांकुरा कहा जाता है।
ओके।
और ये जो काचमूड़ा है, इधर का जो मिट्टी है, ये बहुत ये मतलब इंडिया से बाहर सबसे ज्यादा जाता है ये मिट्टी, ये
ऑलराइट।
जो क्ले है।
ओके। सो ऑल द दुर्गा आइडल्स, दुर्गा जी की जो मूर्ति बनती है दुर्गा पूजा वगैरह में, सो दिस इज विद दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग या फिर कुछ और मिट्टी भी यूज होती है उसके लिए?
यानी यही मिसयूज होता है, बस उसका
नेचर।
स्ट्रक्चर बना देते हैं अलग से खौर वगैरह से।
ओके 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 ग्रेट।
हाँ, उसे पूरा गोल नहीं करना, थोड़ा सा हल्का सा ओवल रखना है। देवश्री तो सब लोग सुन पा रहे हैं क्या?
Okay,
हेलो।
okay. So it will not be completely round. It will be a bit of oval shape, right?
हाँ, थोड़ा सा ओवल रखना है, ठीक है?
Sure, sure. Okay.
हाँ, then
So Ashmita, can you just turn it round and show us how it looks from the front side a bit,
मैं
if it is
एक
possible? Yeah.
एक सेकेंड ना, मैं थोड़ा सा ये कर लेती हूँ,
Okay, okay. No.
देन मैं
Okay. And everybody, can you please turn on the cameras, please, so that we can actually see who all are there? I mean, it's fine. I mean, please turn on the camera. Okay. All right.
Rashmita,
Yes, I can see it now. Yeah. Great.
okay?
So, all right. So it's not a full, like it's not a completely round in shape. It has a bit of oval touch in it, right? So that it looks like a belly or a middle portion of a person. Okay.
एंड
All
देन
right.
थोड़ा जो भी बीच में हम लोगों ने किया है,
Okay.
ये जो लेग का जो भी सेक्शन है, इसको थोड़ा सा दिस टाइप का, तो ऐसे थोड़ा सा ब्रश से पानी देके
So you are merging it up, right? So that पीछे से from the back side it doesn't look like that it's a separate portion altogether.
हाँ हाँ, इसको एक करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है?
Okay. Okay. Fine. So even I'll be trying it after this. I can't try it right now. Great. Okay. Anybody has any question up till now? Ashmita, I would like to stop you here. Okay. I believe there are people who had got question. Yes, yes, Yash, please. Yash, your voice is breaking. I don't know whose network is weak right now. Yash's network seems okay.
मैम,
Yeah.
can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I can hear you. Yes, please go on, Yash.
Ma'am, I was asking that which type of clay you use?
This is, I think the material has already been mentioned. I'll just go back to Ashmita and I'll ask once more. Ashmita, what kind of a clay we are using right now?
मैं तो ये जो टेराकोटा क्ले है बाकुरा का, मैंने अभी
Okay,
5 मिनट का clay है, मैं
right.
वो यूज कर रही हूँ।
Apart from that,
जो
what
भी
else? What else we can use?
Hello?
Yeah, this is terracotta clay basically she is using. However, in case if you can't manage terracotta clay, there are other substitute as well, which are easily available on the in the market, so you can use them. हाँ,
ऑनलाइन भी मिल जाता है।
online, हाँ, Amazon का I think Ashmita had shared a link. I'll share that again by the end of the session. आप वो भी यूज कर सकते हैं. Okay.
अगर किसी को ये क्ले चाहिए तो मुझे पोस्ट तो आए
अच्छा. Okay. Okay. I think these three girls are going really fast. Hi. Can I see your pictures, please? Can I see how far you have gone? Yeah. You need to unmute yourself. Oh, wow. I think this need to be a bit oval. Ah, wonderful. Great. Good going. So we will start it all over again. Anybody has any question in the meanwhile? Hi, anybody has got any question? I can't see anybody, everybody has switched off their cameras. I can see Priyanshu who has switched off his camera. I can see Yash and Niharika, Rishit, um, I, whomsoever's name I'm getting, Smita. So I'll request every one of you to switch on your camera. Okay. So we have started it all over again. I think nobody has any no questions. So we will start it again. Yes, Ashmita. Okay. So ये कौन सा part बन रहा है अश्मिता? Which part is this?
ये
क्या बन रहा है?
ये जो गणपति जी का धोती धोती होता है ना,
Okay. So this is the Angavastram basically.
हाँ
धोती और the Angavastram. Okay. Okay.
हाँ,
All right. Okay. So this is I think the camera. Can you just focus the camera on the model once more because I'm not being able to see what exactly you are doing. So it's bit difficult to follow. Okay.
अब ठीक है जब इसमें
I can you just show me how the dhoti worked? I couldn't understood how you do it.
मैं इस तरफ का बनाती
हाँ. That will be better actually. So we are making it round और फिर उसको okay. Can you show the shape please, Ashmita? Okay. All right. So this we have to attach on the leg. All right. Okay. So this is again you're applying water, right? Right. Okay, so I'm just taking the screenshot of here and let me just check.
मैं इधर कोई भी टूल्स यूज नहीं कर रही हूँ फॉर्सी का।
Okay.
मैं जो भी मैं अवेलेबल होता है उसके पास वही मैं यूज कर रही हूँ।
Okay. Ashmita, can you just show it once more कि धोती में आप डिजाइन कैसे कर रहे हो? It's with the septipin, I believe, right?
किसी के पास टूथपिक है तो वो टूथपिक यूज करते हैं, कर
ओके,
सकते हैं किसी के पास
सेटिपिन है।
आपको कुछ
हाँ,
में नुकीला चीज है जिसे बच्चे उठाने में करना।
ओके ओके। All right. So, okay. Great. So, I believe everybody is able to follow us. In case if somebody can't, please do let me know about this. Okay, I got a query, I believe. One. Okay, Ashmita, I would like to stop you here slide. I think Yash has got a query. Yes, Yash, please go ahead.
No ma'am, by mistake it
Okay, okay, no problem. No problem, that's fine. So, are you people liking it?
Yes,
Great. And is it easy?
yes.
Great then. Okay, Ashmita. All right. So this is the lower portion of the idol. We have made a platform rather. After that, this is the belly section and the legs are being made. Okay, and now I think we are heading towards the head of the idol, right? Hello, Ashmita, can you hear me?
Hello.
Yeah. So Ashmita,
Yes,
now
yes.
have we completed with this particular section, or is there something else that we need to do here?
थोड़ा सा मेरे को एक्चुअली जो पीछे का पोर्शन है मेरे को थोड़ा सा
Moisture.
कर रही हूँ।
Okay, so you are moisturizing the backside of the idol so that it doesn't get, I mean, it gets merged, right?
या
Okay,
मार्च कर रही हूँ।
okay, okay. And in the meanwhile, क्या आप थोड़ा सा front side दिखा सकते हो how it looks from the front side? Okay, lovely. Oh, it's looking great. Wonderful. Great, Ashmita. Okay, thanks. So now we are giving the shape to the belly. I think we have got Divisha here. Hi, Divisha. Hello. Okay. No, they are busy doing this, so I will be asking them question later on. Are you being able to do it? Okay. No, they are busy doing it. Let be. Okay. All right. So now we are doing the hands, I believe, right? Okay. This is the hand, right, Ashmita? Or this is the head? Okay. All right. So Ashmita, थोड़ा सा clay लेकर can you just show it again how you have given the shape of the head?
ये हेड नहीं है जो उसका, ये चेस्ट है।
अच्छा अच्छा, I'm so sorry. Okay.
आप दिखाई दे रहे हैं प्रॉपर्ली?
जी जी जी. Okay. All right.
ना हम लोग अभी चेस्ट बन गया है, तो अभी हम लोग हैंड बना रहे होंगे।
Okay. So chest basically गोल नहीं हुआ है. It's a oval shape, right?
ये जो बेली पोर्शन है,
Belly portion के ऊपर वाला section, chest section जो है, you made it oval, right?
हाँ ये ओवल है।
Okay.
ये
Okay.
प्रॉपर ओवल नहीं है। ये देखने में दिक्कत हो रहा है कि मैं थोड़ा सा क्लोजअप करूँ।
थोड़ा सा अगर क्लोज अप, if you can take a little more clay and show us how you have made it, that will be really great. थोड़ा सा लेकर आप थोड़ा सा एज अ एग्जांपल अगर दिखा देना, that will be great. Okay. So it will be like this. Okay. 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 I would again like to stop you, Ashmita. Just wanted to ask the people who are with us if they are facing any problem or not. Okay. So just wanted to know in case if somebody is looking any like facing any problem. Is there anybody who is facing any problem? Anybody has any query? I don't think so. Okay. So we can start. All right. So this is the hand we are making right now, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is really easy actually. Okay. So Ashmita, apart from pottery and clay modeling, what else your Omadi Institute are teaching or giving training of?
Jewelry making, gardening, home decor, and
Okay.
types of
All right. And
तीन मेरे पास 3 टाइप एज का क्राफ्ट है।
okay. Mm-hmm.
टीचर्स एंड ओल्ड एज।
Okay. Okay. So in fact, it's for all the sections of people, right? It's not only for young children or for young people, but it's also for people like us in the middle age or people who are
Also,
Seniors, yeah. Okay. So this is we are okay making it equal basically. All right. So your institute is in Bombay, or right now you are in Calcutta, I believe, right?
yeah,
Okay. So if somebody from here, if they want to join you or your institute, so like you are giving online classes, right?
yeah,
Okay. And you are giving the online classes, I believe, with Million Center only. Is that correct, Ashmita? If I'm not wrong.
yeah. All in England.
All right. All right. I'm sure.
And also cooking classes.
Sorry.
हमारे एजुकेट कुकिंग क्लासेस भी करते हैं.
Oh, okay. Great then. So many like us can join actually.
ओके, ऐसा हैंड को बना के ना फिर ऐसा मेजरमेंट कर सकते हैं हम लोग.
Okay.
वो जिसके पास जो भी मतलब वो जो भी टास्क बना रहे हैं वो ऐसा मेजरमेंट कर सकते हैं. ओके,
So what should be the measurement of the hand?
ये मेजरमेंट अगर किसी को करना है तो वो कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि मैं बोल दूंगी कि ऐसे करना है, उन्हें समझ में नहीं आएगा कि कैसे उसको मापना है. तो हम लोग ऐसा हैंड बनाएंगे एंड देन ऐसे इसको रख के
Can you
हम लोग
just
मेजरमेंट करेंगे.
can you just show the front part of it, because in camera it's not visible. Okay. So anybody, I'm not sure who all are doing it with us. In case if somebody is planning to do it on a later stage, whatever will be the size of your idol, this is the length of the hand. Okay. So there is no particular measurement of it. It depends on the length of your idol that the hand should be. So once you make this kind of a cylindrical figure of the clay, you need to measure how long the hand is, like as ma'am is showing, as Ashmita is showing, that this should be the ideal length of the hand. Okay. So make sure when you will be making the model, the Ganesh model, and I think there are people who are doing it with us. So when you will be doing it, make sure you take the measurement accordingly. So there is no particular measurement. It depends on the length of your item, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
देन मैंने इसको मेजरमेंट कर लिया एंड
Okay.
देन मैं दोनों के एक ही हिसाब.
So we will be cutting out the other section, other part of the cylinder as well, equally. Okay. All right.
एंड देन
Okay. So now we have attached it. And every time you're joining a portion of the idol, you are just brushing the water, what I can see, right? This is just to moist the clay as well as to make it a bit sticky so that this portion gets attached with it, right? Okay. And this is your merging it. All right.
सॉरी.
That's okay. All right. Great going. This is really easy, and in fact, in this way we can actually create an idol at our home. And owing the situation nowadays, the pollution that level that has been gone up like anything, and the kind of threat that like environmental threat that we are facing, this kind of clay model will help us to save our environment, keep our earth green, and also we need not to go ahead and submerge it to any other water body nearby us. We can do it at our home also, isn't it?
It's a pure eco-friendly Ganesh.
Right, right, right. I think the submerge, the Ganpati Visarjan has been banned right now in Bombay also recently. So I think this kind of idol really helps a lot. Okay. So this is the shape that you are giving to the hand. Ashmita, can you just turn the figure to us, to the camera, so that we can understand how you are giving shape to the hand? I hope everybody is able to understand. I think I got few requests to speak in English because they are not being able to follow us in Hindi. So that's the reason I'm speaking in English. I hope everybody is understanding, right? In case if somebody is having any problem, please do let me know about it. I can immediately go ahead and explain you what is going on.
And का कोई भी पोर्शन इधर उधर होता है तो छोटा छोटा ऐसा छोटा सा ये करके
Okay.
प्ले को हम लोग उसको पिक कर सकते हैं.
Okay. So in case if there is anything shortfall while doing the hand portion of the uh, of the idol of Ganesh, we can simply take a small section of the clay which is with us, and we can do the we can make up that shortfall actually. Okay. Marvelous. Wow. All right. It's really looking nice now. Okay, so we are done with the I think with the hands and the chest as well, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Anybody has any queries now? I mean, anybody has any query?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please go ahead.
Ma'am, we have to only wait 2 and 4.
Depends. So, Ashmita, can we do four hands as well or only two? I think generally in Ganesh idol we get two hands, but yes,